y'all hear that ticking noise, we're about to rebuild this engine. This can that I have right here is gonna help me rebuild that engine. Woo! Engine restored, baby. We're gonna pour it in there. It's warm up right now. It does make a little ticking noise. We're about to see if this thing does actually work. So y'all can hear it. That's the ticking noise. If this thing quiets it down, I'm gonna go buy a whole case. All right, well, here we go. Let's add it in there. Take that bad boy out. Open this bad boy up. All right, there it is. The whole thing went in there. Alrighty guys, so we just turned this bad boy on. Let's give it a couple minutes and see if the noise goes away. I don't hear no noise. I don't believe this thing works that fast, but I don't hear a ticking noise. I'm gonna let it run for at least 5 minutes and I'll record it again. Alright guys, so you can see it's an operating temperature. We have over 40 psi of oil. We do have a check engine light on because I just replaced the headers and the O2 sensor ain't acting right. Now guys, back up here. It has been running for over 5 minutes. I don't hear the knocking noise or the cleaning noise, whatever it was doing. Man, this bad boy actually worked. Insane. Guys, if you have an old Jeep and it's making a ticking noise, this engine restored just got mine super quiet. There it is running in the background. Super quiet. Sounds like a normal Jeep now. I guess I can go beat up on it. So guys, it does work. I'm gonna have to buy me a case of these things and every oil change, bam, put one of these bad boys in there. Guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a blessed one.